Well, went for a little road trip this morning and picked up some goodies for both forerunners, I guess. Scored a used Softopper and some new springs for my rig. There we go. This guy's off-road, and like I said, a used Softopper. So pretty good day, all in all. 20 miles an hour out of the Swagger wagon. Can't complain about that. Home in one piece, so pretty decent afternoon.
Okay, I don't even know where to start here. So Gnob decided it would be cool to buy a soft top that will fit both of our trucks, and he wants me to install it on Danny. He didn't give me any instructions. He just showed me this picture, so I know what it's supposed to look like when I'm done. But I think I can do it. I'm gonna do it. So that's what we're doing today. We're putting a soft top on Danny Bonaduce. Let's see what we have here. All right. These rails don't look like the ones in that picture you showed me. I think I probably just need these 4 rails to figure out where they go. It says driver's side front right on it.
See.
They all have stickers.
Nice. Makes it a little easier.
Yeah, right? Use the front. All right, well this one looks like that one, so I'm guessing it's going to be passenger side front. It's exactly the same.
I'm sure they're opposite. Yeah.
Yeah. So, it's probably gonna go like this.
Something like that.
All right. And then I guess this goes in here when it's all together. Yeah. All right. Well, I can put rails on. I'm gonna look at that picture again. Oh. This is gonna go on the front.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And then those get the fabric wrapped around them. Sure. I just don't get why there's only like is this like an extra one of these? They're for the arms. Terrible. I'm just gonna put the rails on because I know that part. All right. Now this is supposed to just match up with all the factory holes, right?
Yep.
This goes the other way with the snap.
I think it goes. The snaps forward. It looks like, but I could be wrong.
Pretty close.
Yeah. This other bubble seal in here, it's gonna have to compress that seal.
Oh, gotcha.
Like this.
Oh yeah, that makes way more sense. All right.
Bolts and tool.
Oh, look, some extra bolts from something else.
So when you go to put this seal down, you kind of want to make sure that it's not rolled up or pinched or anything underneath this. In the same way when you go to put the hard top back on too, so it doesn't get pinched and damaged. It needs to be sitting flat underneath there. It seals basically down, and it can't get pinched if you're not paying attention. So.
This is how I do it, all by myself. Well, instead of tightening down the bolts, oh look, I did spider.
Yeah, well, I mean, maybe if we tighten these down, it'll let this flex out a little bit.
All right.
These down and
Here, go back to being the cameraman.
hold this all the way down.
Everything's where it needs to be.
The seal was shitty anyhow, so I'm not terribly worried about it.
All right.
Sounded like it was crusty underneath.
So, what? It just goes to one of them?
Just, yeah, that's why they connect together. So
Do I need to connect them together first? Probably.
probably before they get all the way screwed down. A clicker. Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness, all the holes on them. Now, how do I know? I see there's room for these bolts to slide. How do I know whether it needs to be all the way forward or all the way back?
Yeah, you probably need to wait till the vinyl's all the way down. I wouldn't tighten them all the way down.
That's a good idea.
Mine? Those are stickers or only just on that one?
What?
The direction stickers.
Oh yeah, that was the only one that had a sticker. I just used my brain to figure out the rest of them. It was helpful having that one sticker though. It made it easy to figure out the rest. This sucks. Because now I've finished the easy part. Now I have to go back to figuring out where these pieces go. I mean, I see the picture where there's like arms. I don't know, maybe I need to unroll this. Maybe there's more in here that attaches. Now it looks really cool.
Yeah.
Alright, this is all the pieces, right?
Yep.
Oh, they're connected together. Okay, well that, I get it now. Huh. I don't think I need to put the fabric on first. I'm going with that. And if I have to take it off again and put the fabric on, then I will. I don't think I need to put the fabric on first. I think I just need to put the frame on. Let's put it on here.
It's a funny pin.
Yeah.
Don't break a nail.
There's a proper tool for this job, huh?
Screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver.
Hey, hand me that flathead screwdriver right there with you. It's not working for me. Really good.
Probably put the pin in from the inside.
Yeah, but I was just thinking, I didn't even need to pull this off.
Oh, no.
That's what I was trying to get off.
Oh.
Well, you learn how something works when you take it all the way apart.
Yeah, totally. I'm a terrible fucking cameraman.
Yeah? Yeah. Well, this is why we're doing this. See, everybody thinks that you've been doing all the work on my truck because I always end up being the one holding the camera. That's not the truth. You're just gonna have to learn how to do it. Alright, back on. Won't go in the hole. Let's go this way. Seriously, I can see it. Yeah. Oh. All right. So now I have that. Oh, look! There's slots here. I bet that's where this hole goes.
Man, I'm glad this is not a life and death situation here.
Yeah, I think I just need to put the fabric on it now, and now I can figure out where these go. But probably, this is probably for when it's all closed, so you can like, it's here, maybe? No? So I'll look at the picture again.
Maybe.
Yeah, so I think that's not supposed to go like that.
Yeah, you're probably right.
So now I'm gonna put the fabric on. And I'm guessing it's the snaps up here that help it like stay up because I normally go this fall.
Right.
Do it this way. Make sure everything's lined up. That looks right. All right. Let's do this all the way down. I'm going to move this strap on the other side here. And this one too. Okay. So these are all to roll the windows up?
Mm-hmm.
So these two?
Yeah, the side windows as well.
So we'll snap it all down and then I'll tighten the bolts.
Yeah.
You are terrible at this. So I'll snap it all down and then tighten up all the bolts. And I think that will be good. So now we'll get out and snap it because those are all down. Getting tougher as I go here.
This is easier on a warm day too, probably. Canvas stretch out.
Well, so Like, this isn't like a convertible top that you can raise and lower. Like, once it's on, it stays on. Like, I have to go through all this. You can't just.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's not an easily foldable back up. You just snap it back on and off.
Okay. All right, I think you should just tighten the bolts down later. Let the canvas stretch out for a while. So, hey, I did it with no instructions. Oh,
You put that tube.
Leftover parts though.
Well, the tubing needs to go in the. This installs in that.
Yeah. All right, I guess technically we're not done yet. So we could just take these snaps off and roll it up, hook it up, so we can have, it'll be sideless, but we'll still have a roof.
Exactly. And Softopper offers a full mesh screen rear panel on their website as well. Dogs might like that a little more,
Yeah.
but it also rolls up the same way with the same latches. Okay, little Velcro that we don't have. A magnet might be a good idea for this instead of Velcro. Hint, hint, Softopper.
But how does it roll up if it's actually just when you gotta roll in the hole?
Yeah, just probably roll the other way.
Now if only this thing had an engine so we could take it for a spin. That's coming.
That's all about priorities, right?
Yeah. That's it. Cool. I like it. So there you have it. How to install a soft top with no instructions. By a girl. Thanks for watching us. Make sure you like and subscribe, and there'll be links to Softopper in the description below. See you later.